Responsible finance providers make affordable loans to businesses, social enterprises, and individuals.
They are community development finance institutions, and they have championed entrepreneurship across the UK for over 20 years.
Responsible finance providers are social enterprises, not banks. They reinvest surpluses to serve their communities better.
In 2019, responsible finance providers lent £171 million to thousands of credit-worthy businesses and social enterprises.
More than 9 out of 10 of the businesses which responsible finance providers lent to last year had previously been turned down by banks.
In 2019, 14,000 jobs were created and protected in businesses and social enterprises, thanks to responsible finance providers.
The average size of a responsible finance loan to an existing small business is £45,000 over 4 years.
Responsible finance providers are experts at assessing risks in businesses that banks have said no to and then helping them thrive.
They make a huge human impact, creating jobs in communities which are underserved by mainstream providers.
In 2019, 15% of responsible finance business loans were to Black, Asian, and minority ethnic-led businesses.
And more than 4 in 10 of our business loans were made to women-led businesses.
During the 2008 financial crisis, responsible finance providers stepped in to protect jobs and strengthen communities where banks had withdrawn credit from small businesses.
And despite their limited capital base, they have stepped up to support SMEs through the COVID-19 crisis, increasing lending by 250%.
Without their support, many small, micro and independent businesses will close, costing thousands of jobs and causing devastation across towns, cities and communities.
Mainstream lenders may retreat from the small business market without incentives.
SMEs and micro enterprises will be crucial to the UK's recovery from the COVID-19 crisis.
Hardly any lenders can support the businesses which responsible finance providers support.
But responsible finance providers themselves need access to capital to scale up their lending and support an inclusive economic recovery.
A new £100 million responsible finance fund could reach 3,000 businesses and support over 13,000 jobs.
Responsible finance providers are the only lenders who target businesses and social enterprises which fall through the cracks between mainstream lenders.
And they play a critical role in businesses' survival and prosperity.
Responsible finance providers are a lifeline for small and micro businesses that cannot access mainstream lending.
They tackle inequality and they promote inclusive growth.